Hi, this is Ed at Computer Science. Today, we're going to show you how to connect to us for the operating system course. So, we first connect on Skype. So, I got to find my Skype. I know where it went. It went to this start menu, and you just type in CS Tutoring, CSTUTORING, and you will connect to us. So here we are. Actually, we'll connect to another computer. So I just move this over a little bit and I click this telephone. I have to run the other computer down. Okay, we're here now. Oh, there's no a little echo. That's okay. So the instructor will go to share screen and start sharing. I'm going to have to maximize on the other window. Just hold on. There, it's bigger on the other window. Okay, so we minimize the Skype and we go to NASM. That's our compiler for operating system. So we type in turn the light on here. Programming. Okay. Spelled wrong. Not the first time. Okay. I'm not doing good. Oh, I spelled it wrong. That's why. Oh, I gotta be patient in this business. I hope you have lots of patience. Oh, we're not doing good. Oh, I know it's wrong. It's D drive. No, it's E drive. Okay, we're making it slowly here. Over here, you go see the operating system. Look, you type with one finger here. Okay, we're here. So we'll go right to the last lesson. This is a project, so we can show you everything. I don't know why our last lessons are always 13. Oh, not a good day here, eh? Oh, we did it. Unbelievable. So we have a booter that will actually compile the whole program and then download to the QEMU, which is our virtual computer. And it's quite easy to use. There's no partition. It's very nice. I like it very, very much. So here's our OS X. I don't know how we got this name, but I like it very much. So on the first lesson, we actually make this logo here. It's actually an ASCII art. You can go to the web and download ASCII art. Okay. So we have a help menu, all the things we're learning. And we have echo and help, and tick and open and read and write files, remove file names, run programs, show programs running, have graphics. The graphics is the most fun. Like you just type a tick, that's the system time. Right, so every time I hit tick, it'd be a new system time. Well, time in milliseconds. And so what other help we have? I guess you could open a file. Open F1 for write. And you do dir. So this, and then you can write F1 low, and you can, I guess you can read it back. Read F1. There's low. Okay, well that works. Back to the help menu. Okay, so. And then we go to graphics right away. Here's the graphics. Graphics 2 is a little more impressive than graphics 1. Basically, you're just clicking on here. We can draw shapes. Just click. This is a. We make our own mouse here. So, okay. So that's our graphics mode. Okay, so we just close the window. And we can just restart that again. And then there, with our help menu, we go to the tic-tac-toe program now. Oh, I'm not a very good typer. So tic-tac-toe program, and you just hit the mouse, click on this one, click on that one, click on this one, click on that one, and then they all win. So we make all these fonts ourselves, and our fonts we can actually change the position and sizing. So we can do that. And you can make a new game here. Well, new game's not working. Oh well. Oh, there we are. Okay. Okay, you start a new game. Okay, so we just close this one, and we can go to another graphics program. Okay, so close this one. Okay, that again. Okay, and what other ones we have? Desktop. I go to desktop. Okay, so we have, let's get those desktop because those icons. So here's program 1 and program 2 are very identical, but they can, program 1 can send a message to program 2. So we make all these fonts ourselves. I don't make them all. As the class exercise, you make some more. I've done most of them. I've done the H, the A, the P's, and the Y's. And I can send that to this guy. They're happy. And then I can put another one here. Sometimes our mouse gets out of sync here with the days. I can send this one here. Okay, so we send it the days. Okay, we start another one now. So close this one. Boot again. Okay, and we can go right to desktop again. We have another one, program 3. All right, and it's actually bouncing balls, so it's kind of neat. We draw all these circles ourselves. We use cos and sine and cos and the equation of a circle, and we do ellipse, and we fill them in. So we do all this ourselves. We program everything. So you learn lots about programming, lots about operating systems. So it's kind of neat. We like this one. 12-year-olds do this. It's so much fun for them. And they show their parents and stuff like that. And so it's not running on Windows. Well, the QEMU is like a virtual machine. So it can run on your laptop or whatever. It's kind of neat. And we're using a timer here. Although, remember, at the beginning, we showed the ticks. So we use a timer. And so it's kind of neat. Okay, so the course first lesson's free trial, which we just boot from the USB and it just prints some stuff on the screen. And then the rest of the lessons are $15 per lesson. Each lesson about an hour. I don't know, the 12-year-olds can do it really, really fast. As you get older, you slow down a little bit. So every age group, it goes much slower. But we just do it for the lesson, and it takes an hour and a half. We don't really mind. And then you can book the time and day when you want. On the Learn Desk, they have specific times because we have so many courses. We have to get each course a different time. But you don't need to use that time. You just connect to us to the Learn Desk, and once you connect to us, you can book your own time. We give you some links for that. Okay, so the course is lots of fun, and we teach it step by step, and we give the transcripts. So you could look at a transcript. Let this one run. See if I can get it. I don't know if it's on this computer. This is Windows 7, by the way. It's very, very stable. So we like the Windows 7. Let's see if we can find the. I forget how I even use Windows 7. Oh, here we are. It should be a programming lesson. There are programming lessons. Oh, so many versions. Oh, here we are. Operating system there. Oh, so many lessons. All lessons we got. So many courses. And we just look at one of these. I guess. Like here's lesson 1. Just open the PDF. Okay, so these are all the lessons we have. So we start with bootloaders and read from the disk and input-output functions, little command lines. So this one runs in 32-bit protected mode. So it doesn't run in 16-bit. So we switch to 32-bit protected mode. That's a big deal when you get that working. And we use a C language rather than assembly language. It's the first 4 we use assembly language. You don't need to know assembly language. We just use basic assembly language. And then we do the screen and string functions, we do interrupts, keyboard, and timer. We do a file system. We do an extensive file system. It's more like a disk file system. We do scheduling where you can run many programs at once. And then we do the mouse and graphical interface. And we make our own text fonts. And we make graphical shapes and objects. We make the desktop, and you do the project. So a course is like this. You get all the material transcripts here. It takes you step by step. So what we just teach from these lessons. So you get them. So you don't need videos. You don't need to rewind. And they're all here. And we give lots of information, like many details. So we give step by step. Like the first time, if you write all these axes on the screen, you make progress. And there's an assembly language program to do it. And we talk about interrupts and hex loaders and viewers and this alien we got off the internet. We got this alien program, so you can use that. And then it shows you how to use the hex dumps, and it's running on my laptop here. We got running on the laptop, so a little picture of my laptop, and it shows you how to use the laptop. And then you make your own OX. Actually, you make your own. Use assembly language. And in future lessons, we're doing the C programming. Right. So this lesson one, we do that. It takes about an hour, and then if it takes more than an hour, that's okay. Just it's not money making. Uh, it's more like convenience to you. We do homework help, so we make our money in homework help. But the lessons are very popular, and especially students and 12-year-olds, they can't get enough lessons. They do all the lessons, and but what is quite unbelievable at 12, they're so fast, and they start slowing down at 13. At 14, you really see the difference. You really got they slow down. You got to explain things to them more. Whereas the 12-year-olds, they got things done before you even tell them what to do. So it's quite amazing. Okay, so lessons for fun. We really enjoy teaching lessons. It's so much fun teaching them. It's the highlight of the day. Okay, so that's all for today. So I'm going to go over the other computer. These two computers are talking to each other. And I don't know how I got these two accounts, both say computer science. So it's the same person. I don't know how that happened, but it's quite advantage. I can teach these lessons, and I can make these videos. And okay, well, it's all for today, and we'll see you soon. Okay, bye bye.